Smooth sailing.
Here we go.
2023. That is what this one's called, right?
Yes, it is.
All right, sweet. Got plenty of draws, yep. Yep, you look good. All right.
All right. Hey, I'm at the top.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is comfortable. This is good.
That works?
Yeah, it works. Good old snatch into the rocks here. I might have to do a little like run up the wall.
Might as well leave this thing up here.
Yep.
Actually, my back clip. No, we're good. We're good. All right.
All right. Yeah, just steer clear of the rope when you
Yeah.
get into it. No, I'm in the shade. I don't like it. Hey, before you get started, let me go over here. And, you know what? I'll go ahead. But in the shade of the tree is like. All right, yeah. If you're gonna go right, just go over the rope right now. Go ahead and go. Over.
Okay. Yeah. Let's. Okay. Yeah. I am gonna start right.
Okay.
There we go.
Just step over it. Yep. Sweet. You're on, man.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Well, it's kind of wet in that hole. But
Yeah. I see that.
we'll figure it out.
All right. Looks like maybe some side pulls there too. Good foot there.
Yep. Right on, man. Come on, Brian.
All right.
Hold it there.
Hold you there. Climbing.
Yep. They keep you kind of tight right here. We'll get you on. All right, yeah, you're good.
I'm gonna come back over.
Yep. All right, go.
All right. There's chalk up here.
Golden shower. That big left foot if you can get it over there. Big left foot, maybe. Yeah, Chris, come on.
Clipped.
Probably could have made that a little easier. I'm just saying, man. That was pretty good job.
Oh.
Good job.
Whew.
Way to stay on it.
Whew. Whew. I just went for it. This is a real loose flake right here I'm on. Real that I'm left hands on.
Okay.
Holy shit. Can't believe I went for that.
Yeah, that was hardcore.
Oh.
Get that next flip or you gotta make one more move.
I gotta make another move. Resting.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah, you threw it, man. You fucking threw it on that one.
Well,
Oh shit, I didn't start recording on my camera.
it's all right.
You want me to go hit it?
Whatever, doesn't matter.
If you're comfortable there, I can
I've got, yeah.
step over. I can step over and hit it.
You're good. Real loose flake I'm holding on to, but let's see what happens. Come on.
Come on, man. You got it.
Yep, I see.
Okay.
Yeah, I see. I'm good.
You know, okay. You're back, yeah. Comfortable clip? Oh yeah, that's a real confident clip there, Chris. Get on the other side of it. Yeah. gotta move faster.
I'm feel good, but all right, that's a better hold.
Yeah, get the clip. You should have clipped it before you put it on.
Yep.
Come on, Chris.
Clipped.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Holy shit. Wow. Up to the ledge. They got a bolt right in my face. Clipping, Steven. Damn, I went for broke on some of those.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, leave the last two at the top, that's it.
Yeah, I know that.
Where do I go? Right? I'm clipped. Looks like it goes right, Steven?
Yeah, I'm gonna say right, because otherwise you'd be into that other room.
It might go left. I might go left right here and then go back right.
That's fine, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, go ahead.
I mean, I'm gonna. It's a huge ledge.
Okay.
Let me take a look. Yeah, dude. Yeah.
If it's a walking, just walk your ass up there.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Resting a second, Steven.
Yep.
Oh, come on, dude. Come on.
Nice job.
Hold you there. Fucking hold you there, dude. Come on. Come on. Ah. Well, whatever. I'm just thinking, Steven, just thinking.
Okay, yeah, dude, take your time. Take your time.
You know, I might climb it left, or right, rather. I might climb it right.
Okay, take your time.
Climbing it right.
Okay, climb it right. Okay, you got quite a bit. I'm gonna reel you in just a little bit. Okay, you're good. You don't want to go under the rope, Abby.
Another ledge?
Yeah. Are you at a cliff or something?
No.
Okay, you just don't let it go.
On the ledge, I've got 3 feet to the clip.
Okay.
And then it's a straight face climb.
Okay.
No.
That's not much. Hey, all right. Climbing, Steven. Clipping. Clipped. Got it.
Can't see you right now, so
Okay.
put it on the shield. I just wanted to fix that.
Climbing. Clipping. Clipped.
Wait.
Come on, dude. Gonna climb it right, come back left.
Okay.
Clipping. Just the anchors. Wow, all right.
That's the last one.
Jesus, all right.
You got it.
All right, good rest right here, kind of.
Yeah. Going left?
Yeah, you have to,
Okay.
somehow. Trying to figure out where the hell the feet go. All right, I'm getting ready to move. Oh shit. There's gotta be something over there. I'm coming off. Shoot. That's close, dude.
Good, man.
That's a freaking move. Oh, dude. Whew. That is a move. I think I was too high. I think I might have to stay lower. What the hell?
Jog back up the road.
Oh, give me a sec, dude. I might just climb it.
Take your time to rest.
Ah.
Back up. Man, was that a fail or you just didn't have anything? What do you think?
I fell off.
Okay.
No takes, man.
No takes.
Although I guess I'm taking now. You can take after a fall. I think, geez, where the heck are the holds, man?
Is that all right on the catch? Wasn't too bad?
No, beautiful catch.
Okay, good. Yeah, because I didn't know if you were coming off. I felt like I sensed it, and I tried to suck some up when you started falling. But
I'm pretty shocked I hung on as long as I did. I'm kind of surprised I hung on as long as I did. All right.
you jump back up the road.
I think it'll be easier to climb.
Okay.
Especially with this much tension, you know.
Yeah.
Of course I say that.
Pull right back up it. Pull yourself right back up.
Yeah, it's the holds are there until the the very end. Maybe I need to come this way more.
Yeah, I mean, you look really good up there. Just that last little bit.
Yeah. There might be some chalk over here. I don't know. I'm gonna try this side, Steven.
Hey, man.
Fin flake.
Okay.
Where the fuck did the feet go? Yeah. Should give me a take, Steven. I think I see it, but I don't want to pump out.
No, 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 floor.
Jeez. I just gotta find a spot for my feet.
Yeah.
There's one. There's a little nub. Alright, shit. I think I'm getting close. That's underneath. Get a foot there, dude. Get a foot there. All right, Steven, climbing.
Okay.
That's it. Holy shit. Gee, falling. I don't know what you're supposed to hang on to. Maybe I'm not going far enough left. Maybe that's it, dude. I'm not going far enough left. All right, I guess I'll try farther left. Shit.
I would say you're probably correct. He doesn't fall and he's come off twice.
All right, Stephen, climbing.
Fine. It's got the crux. I mean, it's right at the top. It's that last move. Fortunately, it is a clean face, so you took a big fall the first one. Your second one was a little shorter, but I mean, the next anchor, the next flip is the anchor.
Oh, oh boy. Jeez. I don't know, man.
10 minus, man. Are you overthinking it?
No, I don't think so.
Just nothing there, huh?
Jeez, I'm just not finding it. I mean, I'm going for it. Say again, sorry.
There's a side pull out left.
I think I had that one that time.
He's going out pretty far left.
Go straight up the bolt line, and if you reach out left, there's just like a credit card edge of a side pull that's like pretty much key.
Stay on the bolt line for smooth sailing.
Yep.
Dang, all right.
Deviate so much left.
Yeah.
I feel like if I get my feet one higher.
Out left is a credit card edge. The side pull.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna have you clean this one, Chris.
All right. Well, that's if I can get it.
Yeah, you'll get it. I don't know. I'm still.
Couple more tries.
Yeah, you got it. Come on. I mean, I don't know why I wouldn't try it, but probably just leave it. You got it, Chris. Yeah, try that maybe, man. Bolt line.
Shit, that's what I tried the first time. It was the first 2 or 3 times.
You didn't feel any.
No, I could kind of feel it. It was just hard to, maybe it's just hard for me to hold. Oh, jeez. All right, come on, dude. Come on. All right. I mean, there's some good side pulls over here.
Did that catch all right? I tried
Beautiful. You're doing good.
to suck you up there.
You're doing good.
We're out a little later.
Come on. All right, climbing. Ain't happening. Falling. I don't know, dude. I think if I get one hand higher, I could get it, but it can't quite get there.
Anything after that? I mean, are you basically stuck on one move, or is it a couple of moves?
Yeah, I think it might be. Well, there's at least one. Oh, come on.
I mean, it's smooth up there.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try another time here. One more time.
Are you feeling on the hands, or are you feeling on the feet?
Hands. I'm just getting pumped.
Yeah, the feet are good though, right?
Feet are good. I make a move and I just can't hold it.
Yeah.
Make a move with the hands and I just can't hold it.
Yeah.
Come on, man, you're right there. If I can get to that damn. I need to get a left hand in there. All right, Steve, we'll give this another go here.
Come on, man. Do it. Yeah, just fully rest, dude. If you need to take like fucking 10 minutes of rest.
Nah, we're good.
Okay.
I'm gonna try. I don't know what I'm gonna try.
Straight up the bolt line.
Shit, I guess. I don't know. I mean, there's huge holes here, but it's transitioning left.
Yeah.
That's the hard part, it seems. All right, I don't know what I'm doing here. Give me 1 sec. I'm not trying. Yeah, I'm getting close to pump, man. Come on.
Line and take right at the cliff and just hang out for a minute.
All right. All right. Yeah, you want to give me a take right there, Steven, as tight as you can?
Okay.
Let's go. I'm at the knot.
Okay. All right. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I got to get there. That's the thing. It's just so damn hard to get there.
You brought your stick with you, man.
I just got to figure out a foot somewhere.
I mean, are you going tall guy beta or are you going like?
I'm doing anything I can.
Yeah.
Because I think it's a side pull and then somehow come back right. There's a good foot right here. Shit. I'm like I think I'm one move away. Come on, dude.
Oh, you can take.
All right. All right, Steven. A little slack.
Yeah, sorry, dude.
No, you're good.
Okay, you got it, Chris. Come on.
Good luck.
Oh, man.
Side pull.
Take.
You guys just kind of jump on it.
I'm gonna try one more time over and come back.
And you sure there's nothing like, so if you stay further right, like if you stay further right, like directly center mass of the bolt, there's nothing on that, like, because I can see there's like an under little, like a, yeah, I doubt you can hold that. Looks
Yeah.
like a friction hole, but
I don't see it.
it's like there's a little edge up there.
There is. It's just not enough. I'm just not able to hold it.
Okay.
I mean, I could try and.
You got your anchor and everything. Yeah, you get your anchor.
Come on.
That's the hardest ride you've done outdoors?
Talking to me?
I guess not yoga's a 10, right?
Yeah. We did that. We did that other one
Oh, yeah.
a couple over. I mean, honestly, the rest of it climbs really fun.
Yeah.
Come on. All right, Steve, one more go.
Come on.
Shit. I don't have it. I don't have it.
Okay.
So I guess leave that draw there.
You don't think you've got it, man.
That's all I can do.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, leave the draw.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, leave the draw.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want me to clean the rest of the way down?
Clean the rest.
All right. GoPro, stop recording.